Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add big mouth effect to our video in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to apply the big mouth effect to this video. First of all, we need to go to the effects menu right here, and then we're going to go to the body effect, and in this body effect we can go to the funny faces category. And here you'll be able to find the big mouth effect, or actually you can simply search for this big mouth effect on the search menu, and then you will be able to add this effect to your video. And then I'm just going to make it align with my video like this, and this is the final result. As you can see that the big mouth effect has been applied to my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add big mouth effect to our video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!